ka Central Ri-Bhoi Cricket Association kala Sdang kalimpung ile kai cricket ka baningkong e Ri-Bhoi ka blatip kum ka first Central Ri-Bhoi Cricket League menta ka sngi Umsning Sports and Cultural Playground ka badan Umsning ya kani kalimpung lawan ban play do President ka Meghalaya Cricket Association u James PK Sangma kumukongsan baru pa people thank you President ka RBYF kumusembut kongsan aga jingdan lang u chan tanya awasti SDO ka patar khama civil subdivision ginongelam ka CRC kibakentup yoba dan kopar sumer kumu President baru pa Rocky Marwan kumu Vice President lembat kiwaipat kirurang pa kathan kajingya khun kabadingkong jongkani kalimpung kaba lalong hapadeng ka best of the best umyam cricket club persha yaka Benris Cricket Club akaba ka best of the best umyam cricket club job yaka jingenting pisa budget ban up ball ningkong da kaba island yaka Benris Cricket Club ban tian ningkong ka Benris Cricket Club kalalaban kamay shispa arpo praron haki arpo over pat hap kandai wicket haba be yakatay katong ka best of the best umyam cricket club kalale kai bha bat kalala ban kinjo yakatong tang hapo khatsan over bat saw ball da kabakamay shispa life run but du tang saw weekend but penlim ya ka Benris Cricket Club dan re weekend banyora ya ka nam jam meningkong jong ka limpong haka juga sngi u president ke MCA u James PK Sangma lembat kinongelam ka CRC kila letru banjurep ya ka jaka balai sngobha da ka shinong Umsning nong thamai na ka benta bantai ya ka madani le ka cricket kabakam paka hakis ngi banwan.
To James PK Sangma, a guest of honor, but people thank you, and other distinguished guests.
कैसे ले बहुत आगे हो गया Bowling.
Congratulate them that despite this very short time after their formation, they have been able to really come together and work together and organize this cricket league tournament. This is not a small task, it is a very challenging task, and it really goes to show the kind of leadership and the kind of passion and dedication that the members of the Central Ri-Bhoi Cricket Association have. So I would like to, on behalf of the Meghalaya Cricket Association, thank them from the bottom of my heart for this lovely initiative that they are taking, for the kind of contribution that they are making to cricket in our state, not just in Central Ri-Bhoi but for the entire state, and for the opportunity that they are giving to all the cricketers, the amount of talent that is available in this district to all those players. So a very big thank you to Padon Sumer, to Baroki and to all the members